Hey everyone, welcome back to Hadaf Skills. Today I'm going to show you how to recover WhatsApp chat if your messages were deleted or if you're setting up WhatsApp on a new phone. This process is super simple, and by the end you'll know exactly how to restore WhatsApp messages on Android or any other device. So here's how it works. First, go ahead and open WhatsApp. You'll start by selecting your language, then type in the phone number linked to your WhatsApp account. Right after that, you'll get a security code sent to your number. This is just to make sure you're the real account owner. Once you enter the code, you can skip or accept any extra account settings that pop up. Now, this is the important part. WhatsApp will ask you if you want to restore your backup. At this screen, just tap Continue. The app will then search for your saved backup from Google Drive or iCloud. You'll see the size of your backup appear on the screen, and all you have to do is tap Restore. At this point, WhatsApp begins to restore WhatsApp messages, along with all your chats, photos, and videos. Just make sure your phone stays connected to the internet while it does its thing. Once the restore is finished, you'll hit Next. Add your profile name and picture, and Continue. And just like that, your chats are back. It's almost like nothing was ever deleted. Whether you're trying to figure out how to recover WhatsApp deleted messages, or you just want to do a full WhatsApp chat backup and restore, this method has you covered. If you want to dive deeper, make sure to check out the WhatsApp playlist here on the channel. You'll find videos like how to restore WhatsApp backup from Google Drive. And of course, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and let me know in the comments if this tutorial helped you. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.